True TV, big up to all the fans and big up to each and everyone. I don't know the thing go. Hustler Talk the True TV, subscribe to YouTube. Hustler Talk the True TV, just subscribe to YouTube. You understand people? The people subscribe to YouTube page. You understand? Yeah, build up my fan base. You don't know the thing go. Yeah. May I ask you please and thanks. Yeah. I don't know the thing go. Right now, Foota. Oh, you mean say the world boss song that sound good. Two vibes cartel say under the water, under the water, under the water, bang it like a door. Yo, I don't know the whole that song say, but you know say, when a big man thing for that. You don't know say. He have a right to say vibes cartel song that sound good because you never fuck a girl under the water. You understand? Yeah. You never fuck a girl under the water. But why Vybz Kartel no way what him a say car him Vybz Kartel been there and done it already. Him no way him a say. You understand? I sing Vybz Kartel I sing about what them do already. You understand? Him a sing about what him do already. You understand? You understand? Cause guess what? When me a listen Vybz Kartel song now, I remember say bombard, I fuck a girl under the water already you know. Yo, pan Elcha, I got Elcha with my family and I told you say, I say a girl I like to bombard, pan and Shabba man pan Elcha, but she hungry. And I tell you say, you know say, I put the girl under the water. Yo. Nothing nice when you fuck a girl under the water. You understand what I mean? You fuck a girl under the water. When you in the water, I give guys some blood now stop there. You understand? In the water. Bomba, I tell you. Foota. I can't see with this still. You understand? Because you never fuck a girl under the water. You understand? That's why you talk so. You understand? But let me tell you this. Enough of no idol in the conscience out there. Enough of no artists conscience are born no. You understand? Because you know say Vybz Kartel lyrical bad. You understand? Bad. And whole artists out there know say Vybz Kartel is an idol or not idol. Just like Alkaline. Vybz Kartel is Alkaline idol and Alkaline hide it. Alkaline don't want to tell the world say yo a Vybz Kartel set the trend make me there so. Alkaline don't want to tell the world that because I want to get the fame. Understand? But guess what? Look what Alkaline there. A good while now me see if Alkaline put what a song cause guess what? Vybz Kartel that twist up in brain. With songs, with lyrics, you understand? You understand? Cause guess what? Yes, Alkaline now can't forward out with no look lame song, you know. You understand? Cause the people them a go boo. You understand? Cause look on Vybz Kartel, simple song. Underwater. Yo, I sang the bad. You understand? I sang the bad. A Gaza me say, but listen, not because of Gaza me say. Vybz Kartel lyrical, Vybz Kartel born with it, Vybz Kartel God anoint him with it. You understand? Cause guess what? Me never see one man. The man that jail to bomba, the man that lock road same way. The look on Buju Banton that jail and stop the music. You understand? Cause guess what? If him know say nothing go on for him, that's why he stop. And that's how Vybz Kartel I run the road same way. I chop on the road same way. I tell you this. If Vybz Kartel stop sing now, dance all lame, dance all mash up. You understand? Cause the hungry artists me see right off Bounty Killer already. And the hungry artists me say kick down Ninja Man already. And the hungry artists me say, you understand, lyrical so. Listen, and me I tell you this. Right now, Alkaline If you alkaline if you just build back right now and say right now Vybz Kartel is my idol. You see it? I mean, a Vybz Kartel set the trend, make me there so now. You understand? More people that more if you rate him and give more, you understand, up there and thing. You understand? But you say water down him and kick time water down. Water down. Nobody never want water him. You know when tree want water, I saw him a water up and enjoy out. Cause guess what, you know? If any Vybz Kartel we there, you know. Any Vybz Kartel we there right now. Jail, out of jail right now, that road. Alkaline career park already. Me no response who want I read him. And no Vybz Kartel with that road. Alkaline career park. Like when a old truck park. You understand? Can't fix up. I think I joke me a take. Joke me a talk. Yo, big up to all the fans, you know, me there, you know. But me as a Vybz Kartel, everything bad. And me I tell you, say, just keep it up. You see it in a jail, big up yourself in a jail. You see it, you don't know what say. You're underwater. As smart the man as Vybz Kartel, I show Vybz Kartel, I show and say, you what? Me I run road, you know. Me I done road the same way. Me not stop the music. You understand? Me I done road in a jail the same way. Run road in a jail. You understand? Vybz Kartel do a song like this, you know. You understand? Every style me have the one. If Vybz Kartel say, if me don't shit, some artists can't yam and I chew him and talk, you understand? Cause guess what? You see if Vybz Kartel do sing a new tune, Alkaline do put out a tune. You understand? I don't like me I tell. You understand? I chew Vybz Kartel talk say, you know. If Vybz Kartel say every style him have them one. If Vybz Kartel say if him do shit, them do. Yo, if Vybz Kartel say if he no shit, then can't yam. Alkaline can't yam if Vybz Kartel no shit. You understand? I don't know me I tell you. You understand? But we got to all them up on them. They don't know say me nah this the Vendetta boss him bad. You understand? Him bad, you know. You understand? Him bad. Him lyrical bad. You understand? But no compared to Vybz Kartel. Alkaline can walk in a Vybz Kartel shoes. No time. Me say, leave the clocks with Vybz Kartel have in Nigeria. Alkaline can't buy that. Don't know the thing go. I'm doing no. Gaza. No blind boy can come from the plaza. Don't know. Big up to all of my fans out there. Big up to each and everyone who asks them to share my video and thing. They don't know it's a Vybz Kartel the tune bad under the water. I mean I tell you say and a whole heap of man out there call himself Gallus. A whole heap of man out there call himself Gallus, you know. I can't bet you know. I can't bet you know say you never fuck a girl under the water yet. Who never fuck a girl under the water? Stop telling man. Who never fuck a girl under the water? Who never fuck a girl under the water? Me experienced that already. Been there and done that. You understand? Fuck a girl under the water. Mother asks.